Lane County Public Health is hosting the first of 7 Tdap clinics today. This after 4 confirmed cases of pertussis last week. Now, the illness has a transmission rate much higher than the flu. 1 case can spark 16 more. That is why there is concern. Joining us live right now in studio, we have Jason Davis with Lane County Public Health. Again, 4 cases of pertussis last week. We have those confirmed. Is there any new information, any new cases?
So currently we're not seeing any new cases come in, but we're still really concerned about those initial 4 cases because just as you said, each case can cause up to 16 cases. So when we're looking at that and realizing that that means that we're potentially into the 50s and 60s as far as number of people out there that could have pertussis or whooping cough, we're pretty concerned. And then, you know, that grows exponentially towards potentially an entire community seeing an epidemic or an outbreak.
Right, and in fact, I was checking with the CDC website last year. 49 states all saw higher rates of pertussis, and of course we had the epidemic in Washington, also in California.
Right.
So there is concern, and I think there's this idea that when you get your Tdap as a child, you are protected for life.
Right. Yeah, that's a common misconception. And the truth is, unlike measles and some other diseases that we vaccinate for, pertussis, you need a booster, and that's that Tdap. When you're going into kindergarten, you get the Tdap. What we're giving people at these clinics, these 6 clinics that are coming up, is the Tdap. And it's going to be free for all adults over 19 years old who are uninsured. Okay,
and the cough is a very telltale sign you have pertussis or the whooping cough.
Yeah.
Any other sign that you can see in advance that possibly you have the whooping cough?
Right, it's an upper respiratory bacterial infection that comes slightly out of season. So, you know, as we're waning with the flu, you shouldn't be seeing a lot of upper respiratory problems. And so if you do, you go immediately to your health care professional, seek some help, stay home from work. The reason that we're so concerned about this, really, Sean, is because this causes death. And it causes death in our most vulnerable populations. And so we all have a responsibility as adults to immunize ourselves so that we can protect our kids.
So again, this Tdap vaccination clinic, you've got 6 of them coming up. Lane Community College today from 11 until 1 p.m.
That's correct.
And we'll have a complete list on our website. And again, you're saying it's absolutely free for anyone 19 or older.
Absolutely free.
One more time, how often do we need to get the Tdap?
Every 10 years.
Every 10 years.
Yeah.
Important information. Thanks so much for joining us this morning, sharing this with us. And again, go to KEZI.com to get all the information. We'll get you connected.